Today I will discuss about induction type directional power relay. Directional power relay means the power relay which is operated in a specific direction. Power relay means the relay which is operated by the help of the voltage and current. The product of voltage and current is called power, as it is completely depends upon the system voltage and the system current which is to be protected, so it is called power relay, and its operation is depends upon the specific direction of power or current. Its construction is very similar with overcurrent relay, but difference is that a current setting device is connected in series with the lower electromagnet coil. An aluminum disc is present between two electromagnet, that is upper electromagnet and lower electromagnet. The system or the feeder which is to be protected was connected with this directional power relay by the help of a CT and a PT. CT means current transformer. This current transformer is connected in series with the feeder or the system which is to be protected, and the secondary of CT is connected with the lower electromagnet coil by the help of this current setting multiplier. Similarly, the feeder or the system which is to be protected was connected with this directional power relay by the help of potential transformer also. The potential transformer is connected in parallel with the system or the feeder which is to be protected. This is the secondary of PT which is connected with the upper electromagnet, and the lower electromagnet is connected with CT secondary. So the entire directional power relay is completely depends upon this voltage value and this current value, so it is called power relay. A directional power relay is so designed that it obtained its operating torque by interaction of magnetic field derived from both voltage and current source of the circuit which is to be protected. The interaction of flux phi 1 and phi 2 produced a operating torque which is given by T is directly proportional to phi 1 phi 2 sin alpha. T is directly proportional to phi 1 phi 2 sin alpha, where alpha is the angle between phi 1 and phi 2. Phi 1 is the flux developed due to upper electromagnet coil, and flux phi 2 is developed due to lower electromagnet coil. When secondary side of potential transformer is connected with upper electromagnet coil, a voltage is induced in it. This voltage is called self-induced EMF. This voltage is opposes the supply voltage, and due to this self-induced EMF, a current is induced, and due to this current flux phi 1 is produced, and hence we concluded that this flux phi 1 is lagging behind the supply voltage V. This is represented in this phasor diagram. The supply voltage V leads the flux phi 1, or the flux phi 1 lags behind the supply voltage V by an angle 90 degree due to this self-induced EMF. Similarly, the amount of current, suppose I amount of current is flowing through this coil, this CT secondary to the lower electromagnet coil. So flux phi 2 is developed due to current I. The direction of current I through the current setting device to this lower electromagnetic coil and again to the CT secondary. So this flux phi 2 is developed due to current I, and this flux phi 1 is developed due to voltage V. This flux phi 1 is lags behind the supply voltage V by an angle 90 degree due to this self-induced EMF, whereas this flux phi 2 is in phase with current I, as there is no supply voltage is given to this coil. This can be represented by this phasor diagram, where flux phi 1 is lags behind the supply voltage by an angle 90 degree, whereas flux phi 2 is in phase with the current which is coming from the CT secondary winding. The angle between flux phi 1 and phi 2 is alpha, and the angle between voltage and current is angle phi. The operating torque, as discussed above, the operating torque is directly proportional to phi 1 phi 2 sine alpha, means the flux induced due to PT and flux induced due to CT. This flux is directly proportional to supply voltage V, means phi 1 is directly proportional to supply voltage V. Similarly, this flux phi 2 is directly proportional to current, means current from the CT secondary, and alpha can be written as 90 degree minus phi, means this total angle is 90 degree, this total angle is 90 degree. If we have to find out this angle alpha, then we can subtract this angle phi, this angle that is phi, from 90 degree, means sine alpha we can written as, means alpha can be written as 90 degree minus phi. So operating torque is directly proportional to Vi sin 90 minus phi, means cos phi. That is operating torque. Under normal operating condition, the restraining torque provided by this spiral spring is more as compared to operating torque. So this aluminum disc is not able to rotate. It is in stationary condition. If it is in stationary condition, then the moving contact which is attached on this spindle is also in stationary condition. So this 2 point is not able to close, and hence the circuit is does not, and hence the circuit breaker is not able to disconnect the healthy section from another healthy section. But when fault occur, the tendency of current is to flow in opposite direction. However, when fault occur, there is a tendency for the current to flow in the reverse direction. If current is flowing in reverse direction, then here it was written minus I. If it was written minus I, then result is minus Vi cos phi, means the operating torque is in reverse direction also. Hence, the reversal of current in the circuit reverses the direction of operating torque on the disc. If a reverse operating torque is developed, then this moving contact is able to operate in the reverse direction also. If it was able to rotate in reverse direction, then these 2 points are closed by this moving contact and the trip circuit is activated. When the operating torque is large enough as compared to restraining torque, the disc rotate in reverse direction and the moving contact close the trip circuit, and this moving contact is rotate in reverse direction and close this trip circuit. If this trip circuit is closed, then the circuit breaker received a signal from the trip circuit and able to operate, means the faulty section is disconnected from the healthy section. This is all about induction type directional power relay. It is called directional, means it is operate only when the direction of current is reversed or the direction of power is in a specific direction. Thank you.